What's going on, you guys? Do with prank. I just received. I couldn't receive it. I just opened it out of the package. Everything's out. So hold on. This is the package I got. I used to have an airsoft. So I used to have a gun just exactly like this, like that. And I never had a pistol or airsoft. And it comes with a package bonus and 1,000 BBs, 5,000 BBs, 1,000 BBs, so it's 2,500 altogether. So yeah, so the BBs are right here. I opened them earlier. I'm shooting some of them. There's a camouflage one, so hold on. Here's the mag. Can't really see it. There's BBs in it. And the more important shit is. Sorry, my little niece is here. So this is the gun, and this is all this, and see, you get this with the pistol. I don't want to take out the pistol right now. And then you can adjust this how you want it to be. So yeah. So Thursday I'll be seeing you with that thing at Sacramento. I don't know why I'm not. Yeah, that thing was Sacramento. I will be updating you guys with that. So I'm gonna get out of here right now. Links are in the description down below. You want to get updated with my stuff is down below. Alright, see ya. Until then, Do With Pranks out.